to talk to you guys today and talk to you guys about my current Amazon finds. So without further ado, let me get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is something that I've been wanting to get for like a long time, y'all, and I finally found one on Amazon. And this is actually it's actually a blow dryer holder. I don't know about y'all, but I be having a hard time like trying to blow dry my hair and like brush it out and hold a blow dryer and brush it out. Look, ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So I'd rather just stick it onto the mirror and let it hold the actual blow dryer as I'm blow drying out my natural hair. So yes, this was a definitely good find for me. I cannot wait to test it out. But as you can see, yeah, you can mount it onto a flat surface. I'm probably going to mount it onto my mirror and just aim the blow dryer at my hair as I brush it out. So that would be very good for me. Okay, so yeah, this is the first find that I found out. And the second thing that I wanted to try out, which I've been loving, y'all, is the Milk Boss electric milk frother. Have you guys seen this before? This has been like going around on YouTube quite a bit. But yes, y'all, that's actually how it looks. And it comes with like a little stand. I got it in the color black, which matches my kitchen. But this is how it looks, y'all. This is the milk frother. And you just take it off and you can stick it in like a latte or your cream or something like that. Anything you want to froth up, and you just press this top button right here. And it whisks. It whisps it for you, which is convenient instead of like, you know, having to do it by hand or anything. So been loving that definitely. And the next thing I want to talk about is this little jar right here. This little container set right here. No, it didn't come with these pretty powder things in it, but I definitely filled it up already. But this little glass container right here, I got off of Amazon, and I got it to hold like the powders that I want to put like in my drinks and stuff like that. Inside here is the blue spirulina. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's definitely rich in omega-3 and other vitamins and stuff. I definitely want to incorporate that in my smoothies and my coffee and stuff like that. So that's the blue powder right here. The green powder is green tea matcha, which I'm a huge fan of that. I love green tea matcha. So I got the powder from there, and all of these powders I got from Amazon, y'all, as well. And this pretty fuchsia color powder is actually dried dragon fruit, which also has a lot of vitamin benefits as well. So yes, y'all, so I got all the powders from Amazon as well as this wooden glass container, and you could actually take this off. It actually has like little holes in it to set it back in there, and it also has like a breathable little deal. This is how the top looks right here. You set it back down, and also it each comes with different spoons and stuff, so you could actually make it easy for yourself to like spoon out, you know, whatever you want, however much you want to use in your drink or whatever. So I thought this was like a little neat find, and I like how it's clear and see-through because it makes it look more, you know, pretty and more engaging into actually using it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I've been loving the hell out of this. And the next thing I want to talk about is these popcorn seasonings. This has also been raved about on YouTube. Everybody named Mama been getting these popcorn seasonings. I have a whole, I think I ordered a pack with like 15 different flavors in it. I'm going to insert a clip right now. And yeah, this is one of the ones that I pulled from my little stash. This is actually the white cheddar flavor. But y'all, they have like hot wings flavor, caramel, kettle corn, chocolate, just all type of flavors, y'all. Nacho cheese. So I think I used like the nacho cheese one and this one right here. These are like my go-tos right now. I think they have like Parmesan garlic, just all type of flavors, y'all, so you never get bored eating these seasonings with like your popcorn. So yeah, I think it'll be good to get like the variety pack for your family, because you never know who might like what, you know what I'm saying? Y'all always have like a variety to try different things and stuff, especially on like movie night and stuff. If y'all have movie night once a week or stuff like that with your family, it'll never get boring. So yeah, definitely check these out. I'm going to leave everything down in the description bar below. The next thing I want to talk about is these coffees by Maud. I think that's how you pronounce it. Maud, and this is in the flavor Hottie Biscotti Vanilla Almond, and this is one of like 5 or 6 different flavors. I think one was like Banana Foster, the other one was what's the other one? Salted caramel. They have the raspberry chocolate one. It's like all type of flavors, y'all. And I think a 50 count, no, I think it was like a 40 count for like $20. Y'all can't beat that, because I know I would get mine from like Walmart, my K-Cups from like Walmart or Bed Bath & Beyond, and they sky effing high, y'all. Like, I got more bang for my buck and more flavors with paying $21 for all of these flavors. So yes, y'all, definitely get them, and they taste amazing. Okay, so yeah, little K-Cups. And another thing I want to talk about is these lights. I still haven't got the strip lights yet. I want to put like the strip LED lights behind my TVs, but for now I still gotta order it, y'all. But for now I ordered these little Wi-Fi light bulbs, and this is actually how they look right here. And I actually put them in my lamps in my den already. And y'all, whenever they say that it gives like off 16,000 sorry y'all, whenever they give off 16,000 colors, is absolutely true, y'all. And you can download the app on your phone as well. Like if you want to be lazy and, you know, lay down on the couch just like that, you want to get up and turn off the light or turn on the light, y'all, they have an app that you can download. You can turn on the lights. They have like a soft like a white light, and they also have like a more cream like light setting or whatever, and they also have like all different colors. They have over 16 million colors you can choose from. As an instant bright light, you can actually let the lights dance with like the music effect, which is cool. It also has a timer mode that you can put on it to set. It's a dimmable feature on there, and it's a LED rated up to 20,000 hours. Okay, so once you get these light bulbs and install these light bulbs, you're going to be having them for a minute, okay? Which saves you a lot of money. You don't have to worry about your light bulbs burning out or anything like that. So I definitely been enjoying these, and my children have definitely been enjoying these because they like to play around with the colors and stuff like that. So yes, y'all, I'm going to leave these down below, but this is a definitely must hit. Love these. And the next thing that I want to talk about that I've been needing for the longest is this photo and tech little remote. It works on Canon cameras, y'all. This has absolutely been a lifesaver for me. I didn't know how much I needed this until I actually started using it. So whenever I need to record a video, I can just hit it. It stops it for me. It starts it for me. It can start record. It take pictures for me, like anything. Especially like if you a solo you know, person that does your own footage and all of that stuff. You don't have anybody like, you know, recording you and stuff like that. This is your go-to, y'all. Like, this is a definite lifesaver and a definite must for anybody that does your own videos and photographs. Love this. And the next thing I want to talk about is this beautiful planner that I've been wanting. I've been wanting a nice planner for the longest, y'all. So this is how the planner looks right here. Still have the paper on it, but it actually says always choose happy. I love that, and I love like the little spiral things. You can actually get like little inserts to put in it. But this is like this is like how it looks inside. Has like little visual little things to keep you interested and engaged. But I just love the way it looks, y'all. Very organized and everything. So yeah, and I also bought some stickers, you know, to keep me even more organized. So I got like functional and decorative planner stickers. It's 14 sheets and 1,054 pieces. Okay, so this is like a couple of dollars as well. So I'm gonna enjoy that, decorating my planner. And I also bought this little blender. And this is the last item that I'm going to be sharing. It's a 4-in-1 hand blender. This is actually how it looks right here. And y'all, this is definitely convenient for me. So this is actually how it looks right here. You could actually put like vegetables, onions, like if you want to chop up your onions and stuff like that. Like it has a blade adapter in it. Like this is like convenient as heck. And you could actually detach it from this, and you can add like, you can add a whisk like this, like to puree things, or you could add like your whisk and stuff to like attach to it. So I just think this is like hella convenient. You know, it has multiple functions, 4 functions in one. You just pay 1 fee and you have all those functions. You can't beat that with anything. So yes, y'all, definitely wanted to share that with you guys. Yeah, tell me if you guys purchased any of these things lately. Have you been enjoying them? Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys feel about this video. Tell me what other videos you want to see in the future. And don't forget to hit the bell notification on all so you won't miss any upload coming from me at all. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. I love you guys, and I will see you guys soon in another video. Bye.